Hey there, Gary Baker here with you from 30minutemarketing.net. In this video, we got some new news out of GrooveFunnels. They just released funnel organization and site share functionality. So what we're going to do is play with that and see how it's working. As this was just released today, the 5th of October 2020, if you're watching this video. If you don't have a free account yet, link in the description to follow along. So we're going to go into GroovePages and we're simply going to build a new site. And you're going to see this is all new here. Single pages, categories, tags. So for example, if you were to scroll down and you were to say pick health and fitness, you can see the health and fitness pages right here. Then you can separate it by tags. For example, yoga, there are none. Free, there are some right there. These are the free ones if you're in your free account. But you can see that you can select categories and tags and they work together. Then you have what they're calling complete sites, and nothing under health and fitness. Go back to all categories. Currently they have one complete site here. Go to funnels. This is a new thing here where they have an entire funnel that you can select. And of course you have my templates. These are the ones you create for yourself and save them. So what we're going to do first is play with a single site. So we're going to go with this single site thank you page right here. And we're just going to say thank you test single site share. And we're going to start building. That's going to open up the page here that you can see. It's a simple thank you page. We're going to go ahead and edit this and say share test so we know it's our page that you see when you see it. Then we're going to go up here and we're going to publish, host it on our subdomain and create a folder and call it share test. And we'll go ahead and publish that site. Content is saved. Changes usually go live within a few minutes, but may take longer. Go ahead and click that URL and see that we do have our site right there. Now we'll go up here to the hamburger menu and we will go under share. Share links, you need to click add to get a new share link. And then all you need to do is copy that into your buffer. And then we'll head over to our free account and see how this works. So here we are inside of my free account. As you can see, 2 sites. I can create one more site. You can see there is no single page that we have there for our thank you page. What I'm going to do is simply paste in that share link right here, hit enter, and then watch the magic happen. Then you can see what happens is it redirects you back to the main login screen, and then you simply go back into GroovePages, and then you can see that your site right here, thank you, test single site share, and then you have the ability to open the editor, and you've shared a full, complete, editable site, and then of course you would host this one on your own domain. So we'll go ahead and call this share test site, and we'll go ahead and publish that and take a look at what it looks like. After it's published, content saved, go ahead and click that. You can see there, now that is on 30minutemarketing.groovepages.com, and you can see that site is working and the share worked. So now let's go back to that and delete it and actually create a funnel and share an entire funnel. We'll go ahead and we'll delete that site, delete. There is a bug here where you have to reload after you delete your sites to make sure that it's gone. All right, so we deleted that. Let's head back over to my paid account and create a complete funnel and see what that looks like when we share it. Okay, here we are back in my account. We'll go ahead and we'll sort by creation date. And you can see there is our thank you test single site share. And what we'll do here is go ahead and create a new site. As you can see, we have complete sites and we have funnels. Let's go ahead and select the Groove Book template funnel. And we'll go ahead and build a new site. Test share funnel. Go ahead and start building. It looks a bit empty here. We'll go under pages. I see a home page. Under funnels, I see a page 1 funnel. We'll go ahead and we'll click on that and see what we got. So okay, it doesn't show up under pages, it shows up under funnel. I'm not sure what else it has here. Doesn't look like it has any other pages for this funnel. So it looks like for now, all they're doing is categorizing or building the base to start building funnels, building a workspace for your funnel, because it's still just a single page. So we do have a Groove Book funnel, but it's just a single page. We'll go ahead and we'll publish this just to see if it works the same. We'll go ahead and say funnel share. Go ahead and publish that. Content saved. Content usually goes live within a few minutes, but may take longer. We'll go ahead and we will share that. Share links, add. Go ahead and copy that. Then we'll jump into our free account here. We'll go ahead and use that share link again. So there's a blank page. We'll go under pages. We'll go under funnels. You can see here what they're doing is they're grouping pages. Of course here that's going to be a blank page index, and then they're grouping the first page under funnel. As soon as you click on that and highlight it, it will actually open that page up inside of the funnel. So what they're doing here again is laying the groundwork for sites and pages and funnels to get everything organized, but at this point they didn't actually build out a full funnel. So if we were to go ahead and click add new page, go ahead and create one from scratch. Let's see what this looks like. It's empty, but it is under funnels. It is not under pages. Pages is just the index that holds your funnels. Again, this literally just came out 2 hours ago as of the time I'm making this video. As you can see right here in the Groove Digital Facebook group, David Lemon announced 2 hours ago we just deployed an update for GroovePages just moments ago. There are other fixes and improvements, but these are the ones that I was focused on. Share site functionality, funnel organization, and full site templates. So one last quick look. We'll go ahead and exit, go back to GroovePages, our sites. What we'll do here is we'll go ahead and click Open Editor, and then under Pages, we'll go ahead and hit the plus sign. As you can see here, you're getting Use Templates, Start from Scratch. Under Funnels, click the plus sign, Start a funnel from scratch, Funnel Templates right here. Those are all premium, so they haven't added any free funnels yet, but the single pages still have the free templates that you see right there. So it's a work in progress. And that's a quick look at the site share functionality, funnel organization, funnel sites, and funnel templates. If this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, just like the ones you see right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.